Do you really need to crave for an Italian pizza when your own homemade moong sprout and mixed veggie uttapam can be so nutritious and delicious? For the batter, soak 2 cups of whole green moong for about 6 hours. Post 6 hours, strain the water and leave them to sprout for about 6 more hours. At the same time, when your moong begins to sprout, soak your urad dal, some red rice, methi dana for about 6 hours. Later, grind together the sprouted moong along with your soaked urad dal, rice and some fresh spices as mentioned in the caption. Adding curry leaves to the batter gives a delicious flavor. You may top your uttapams with vegetables of your choice and those which are in season. I am using onions, tomatoes, green chillies, some cilantro and some colored bell peppers. To add some zest, let's add some salt, some black pepper, some Kanda Lasoon Masala. Mix all of this to make a kachumber. You could use the same batter for idlis, dosas, uttapams and appams. To a heated dosa pan, add some oil. Now you may either make these into baby uttapams like so, or you may turn it into one large uttapam by your choice. To prevent sticking, make sure you leave some space between 2 baby uttapams. Let's top our kachumber on our baby uttapams and make sure there's enough of vegetables in each of your uttapa. Now top these with some chopped cilantro for an added flavor. Cook these on a high heat for a first 1 minute, followed by 2 minutes of medium-high heat. Drizzle some oil on the second side of the uttapam. Now flip all of these and repeat the same frying procedure as we did on the first side. After total 6 minutes of frying, our uttapams are now ready to serve with a chutney of your choice. Let's do a taste test. Cheers. Delicious. You should try this.